Hello everyone, this is Kristina from Kristina's Art Corner. I have a new book that I got on Etsy from Mariola Budek, and I thought that we could unbox, package it together. So it's come all the way from Poland, and let's see what we have. It's from Cute Friends. There's a sticker up on top, so that gives you a little bit of a hint. Oh, a nice thick board in here. That's nice. Oh, look at the cute purple ribbon. My granddaughter's favorite color. And look at this cute little image we have here. Adorable. Dear Kristina, thank you for another purchase. May your life be as sweet as these cuties. Happy New Year, Mariola. Isn't that nice? Aw, that's sweet. I love these little bookmark pages too that you can color. And we have a couple more. And here's one with a horse. Let me just look how well packaged this is. There's styrofoam pieces in here and another thick board. That is super wonderful. Let me get this off my desk so I can give us more room. So here we have Cute Friends by Mariola Budek. Happy coloring, Mariola. And look at those cute images. You can test some of your techniques or mediums. Look how sweet this is. Oh. You know, I may just take this off so it's easier to go through the pages. All right. Look at the cute little snowman, the little girl, and the little kitty. And there's an ornament. I might save that for next Christmas. Oh, how sweet. These are definitely cute, as the name suggests. Oh, here's Santa. This is a sweet one here. Look at the kitty is in the box. Love those shoes. A nice birdhouse and a doggy, some birds. Isn't that one sweet? Darling. Bless. A dangling carrot. Aww. Look how sweet. Oh, just checking out a ladybug there. Oh, that's darling. That's super sweet. And we have a mushroom being rained on with a snail, a cute little friend. Aw, look at this nice owl. Aw, hugging on his tail. Look at that one. Oh, that hair is gonna be fun to do. And there's a little dragon. And there's a couple other ones. This would be a great Halloween page for next year. And this one, like a haunted house with the pumpkin. This one is super sweet. There's a face in the broom. There's the pumpkin with the kitty on top. With a ball of yarn, this cute kitty cat. Oh, she's reading a book in her PJs. The unicorn headband. Snuggling her teddy bear. And a cute little stuffy in a stocking. Aw, that one's cute. It's hard to say anything but cute because they are just cute. Cute and sweet. And that's it. You have all of the images here. And here are all the names of the images. So yeah, that is Mariola Budek's Cute Friends. So what do you think about this? This is from 2021 and I just waited to get it because I had gotten some of her other books, but I'm so glad I got this one. It's super cute. Cute Friends, just as it says. I hope you all enjoyed this flip through from Mariola Budek, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care and happy coloring. Bye-bye.